What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tony TV. I'm back with another video. I just got caught in the rain. We just came back from McDonald's and Giants. I'm about to tear this food up, bro. We got some McDonald's food. Got some fries. Got some nuggets. It's gonna be good and popping. Alright guys, today's video is I'm gonna be making some pot roast for dinner tonight. Tyler don't like pot roast, so he gonna have a problem with that. You still don't like pot roast, Tyler? No. Alright, so I'm gonna make a pot roast tonight. I don't know what Tyler gonna be eating, but this is the pot roast that I will be making tonight. Oh, and another thing, the dog food we had mold in the dog food. Mold, yes, mold. Look, check it out. I'm gonna show y'all. You can see it. Look, see it right there. Mold.
Oh, hell no!
You can see a couple more pieces too. Like what the? So we're gonna write, email the company and let them know what we discovered in the dog food, cause that ain't cool, man. All right, guys. Today the family is hungry tonight, and I am making some steak and broccoli. Steak and broccoli. Yeah. See, I got the broccoli here. I didn't start it yet. I got the broccoli there, and I have the steak here. Here go the steak. This is the best steak to get. You can see the price. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. Ribeye steak. Thin. You want to get the thin. You want to get the thin steak, because you don't want to get the thick steak, because that takes like forever to cook. And I like my steak like almost done, but not too done. You know what I mean? All right. And I'm making some tea. My kids absolutely love tea. I don't know what it is about tea. They love tea. Look, I got tea here. I got the tea bags in there. So it's just marinating at the moment, because I got the cold tea. This is the tea that you can make while it's cold. That's the, oh God. If y'all haven't gotten this tea, this cold brew, if y'all haven't gotten that cold brew tea, you missing out. You missing out, bro. Like it is so good. Like you got to get that tea. All right, guys. I got to get the cooking because it's late. I always start dinner late. It's almost 9 o'clock, and that's when I gotta stop cooking that late. All right, I got the broccoli here. So what I gotta do is I gotta get the steak washed and cleaned off, and I gotta season the steak and all that stuff. So yeah. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Join the Tony Ronys. All right, join the Tony Ronys. I am almost at 1K subscribers. I am almost there. So I just need for y'all to like, comment, and share. Share this content, and I would be so much appreciated of you. So yeah, let's get dinner started. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I said that twice. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna knock this tea out real quick, because like I said, they love tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make this tea real quick so it can be nice and cold for around dinner time. So let's get this tea started back. Let's get this tea done, boy. Let's get this tea done, boy. All right, y'all know y'all want to take out tea bags. Y'all know that. So I'm gonna take the tea bags out. Squeeze. Throw in the zinc. Squeeze. Throw in the zinc. Squeeze. No, you gotta get it first. Squeeze. Get that tea out of there. Should cost too much money to be wasting any tea. Alright. Get the sugar. Hope y'all can see that. Not too much. You don't want it to be too sugary. I hate sugary tea. Stir that up nice and good. A little bit more sugar. A little bit more.
2 hours later.
Put the top on. Wipe off the sides. Now this tea will last a good day. Cause the picture, this will last about a good day. Cause I don't have a bigger pitcher than this. I had to go somebody was creeping. This costed $12 for this little thing. $12. I do have another one. I have this one I could use, but I did make two of these. I had some in that one and I had some in this one. But I just started making it in this one picture. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator. Throw that in the refrigerator. Oh, and the kids love Gatorade. I like the red ones, but they love the blue ones. Don't y'all be looking at my refrigerator. Looking at my refrigerator. Alright. Let me put on this corn. Turn the stove on for the broccoli. Because the broccoli don't take long to cook. You just need to steam the broccoli real good. Because you don't want to overcook the broccoli because it tastes. You ever had overcooked broccoli where broccoli was cooking forever and it just tastes like. Alright, I'm gonna add pepper to the broccoli. I'm gonna add some pepper. Add some pepper. And I also added some water. I don't know if y'all can see the water in there, but I also added a little bit of water, and I'm gonna add a little bit of Himalayan salt, pink salt. So I'm gonna grind that up in there real quick. Let me set y'all down. Let me put this so y'all can see. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this, not too much. Just a little bit. You don't want too much salt in your whatchamacallit. Alright. We got that going. Let me fix my camera. Alright, that's good. Alright, we got that going. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on this steak. So by the time I'm done cleaning the steak and doing whatever I got to do with the steak, that'll be done. Actually, I'm going to add this lid to this. Add this lid to that. So that way we can have steamed broccoli. Steamed broccoli is the best. Oh, and thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel over the past week. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you all. All right. Just wanted to say that because I know some YouTube creators don't be giving no shout outs to their subscribers, and I want y'all to know I appreciate y'all. For the people that do watch my video, I be putting up some videos in like the next 2 or 3 minutes. I already have somebody that liked my video. And whoever that is, thank you. Every time, I don't know who it is, but every time I post a video, it's that same person that post and watch the whole video, and they always hit the like button. And whoever that is, I want to say thank you. I wish I had so many more people like you. All right, let me get this steak started. All right, guys, I'm steaming. All right, I just got finished steaming the. I cannot think of the word. Broccoli. Right. This is what it looks like. Like I said, you don't want to overcook it. That's what it looks like. You just want your broccoli cooked to the point. Take that off. Let me put the pan on. That's going to sit and continue to cook for a while. Yeah. That's how you want to cook your broccoli. You don't want to overcook your broccoli because it'll be soft and just be soft. You try to pick up your broccoli and it fall apart. No, not in this house. No.
Perfect.
Yeah. Y'all know how I get down. I should put Chef Boyardee in front of my name, so it'll be Chef. No, I should put Chef Tony in front of my name. That's a good idea. Alright guys, I am finally done dinner. And I'm going to show y'all the final result of the steak and broccoli dinner. Here we go. There we go. Steak and... Let me get y'all on the light so y'all can see better. This is dinner. Got the broccoli and the butter. Got the steak and the onions. And I got a couple more pieces in there for me to eat. Because I'm a fat boy, I like to eat. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a long, little short video of me making dinner tonight. So, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.